Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Angelo on Wheelz. Guess what I have here? This here is a 2026. It's a Lexus RX 350 Premium Plus all-wheel drive. This is a very nice SUV. Even though the grille, the front is it's a little bit different. The more I look at it, the more it grows on me. Let's do a quick walk around. Let's check out this vehicle. And I think, a question that we should answer is this car better than the redesigned Lincoln Nautilus? Let's do a quick walk around. Let's find out. So the new grille on the Lexus, it's a little bit interesting. It's got this bulge here. It's a little bit different looking at first. However, the more you look at it, it's actually not so bad. It gives the car a very unique look. Guys, so here we are inside of this new Lexus. It's 2026 RX 350. It's a very nice interior. It's very nicely finished. The wheel feels really good on the hands. This mixture of leather and a wood trim finish feels awesome. There's a heads-up display over there. It's a little bit hard to see. The dash has very good, clear information. But check this out. So these buttons here, they are actually digital. So all I do is just kind of swipe. And on the display, it shows you. Well, I don't know if you can see also on the heads-up display. It shows what I'm doing as well. So it feels like a normal button, it's got volume. But then you also see what you're looking at on the display. It's kind of similar to what Lincoln is doing on their new designs for the Nautilus and the Navigator. But I feel like over here it's executed a little bit more traditional. It looks like a traditional steering wheel. And then the infotainment system here, everything's very clear. We do have heated seats, ventilated, a heated wheel, dual climate, so actually 3 climate zones. And everything is very clear. All the information here is very straightforward. This is a very nice place to be. But that's enough of this. Let's go ahead and let's get a POV drive. Let's get this thing on the road. Let's see what this Lexus is all about. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna take this thing, we're gonna get a little get up and go. But what does it feel like driving this Lexus? I feel very comfortable inside this RX 350. Very nice comfy seat. I got the ventilated fan going. I got a heads-up display. It feels great on hands. I got paddle shifters. I think it's a very Very nice place to be. Type-C connections. Plenty of power here. It's adequate. You know, it feels like a very nice Lexus. Like, it's got all the safety features, everything, right? So the car is definitely doing its job. Do like the vehicle, but it's missing something. I don't know what it is. I have no complaints on the car, but it's missing something that makes it feel special, right? It does feel special, but it doesn't feel special like you're driving something unique. It feels like a very nice car. That's what it feels like. I don't know how else to put it. It's very straightforward. It works, you know. You got all controls here. Nice tech. We're gonna make this U-turn here, and we're gonna see what the get up and go is on this one, which is gonna be good. It's gonna be good, but we're gonna get a feel for it. Let's take this thing back. I'll give you my final thoughts. And is it better than the redesigned Lincoln Nautilus? I'm gonna find out when I get back. I think I know the answer, but I'll share it at the end. I like it. No complaints. Alrighty guys, and this car is brought to us courtesy of Apple for Lincoln here in Columbia, Maryland. And this car is currently available for sale. So I'll put all the links in the description. Feel free to check it out. I'll see you guys back there, all right? Alrighty guys, we're back. Hey, thank you so much for making it this far. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you got a comment, let me get some feedback. I have a lot more stuff coming up, so subscribe. And is this better than the redesigned Lincoln Nautilus? Maybe. There's a different audience definitely on this one versus what the Lincoln Nautilus gets. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.